Welcome to Asim Code. Welcome back, everyone. Please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoy our content. In Python, classes and objects are fundamental concepts in object-oriented programming, OOP. OOP is a programming paradigm that organizes software design around data, or objects, rather than functions and logic. What is a class? A class is like a blueprint or template for creating objects. It defines a type of object, including the data, called attributes, and the behaviors, called methods, that the object will have. Think of a class as a cookie cutter that can be used to create multiple cookies, objects, all with the same general shape and properties. What is an object? An object is an instance of a class. When we create an object from a class, we are making a specific instance of that class with its own values for the attributes. Defining a class called book. This is our blueprint for creating book objects. The init method is a special method used to initialize an object when it's created. This method is like a constructor and is called automatically when you create a new instance of the class. Self represents the instance of the class. We use self to access variables that belong to the instance. We assign the values passed to the class, like title, author, pages, to the instance variables. Title is a variable that holds the book's title. Author is a variable that holds the book's author name. Pages is a variable that holds the number of pages in the book. This is a method of the book class that returns a description of the book. The method uses the instance variables title, author, and pages to generate a string describing the book. Now we create objects, instances, of the book class using the class blueprint. Each object will have its own set of values for title, author, and pages. Creating the first book object with specific details. Book 1 is now an instance of the book class, with its title set to 1984, author set to George Orwell, and pages set to 328. Creating the second book object with different details. Book 2 is another instance of the book class, with title set to Kill a Mockingbird, author set to Harper Lee, and pages set to 281. Calling the description method on both objects to display information about each book. The description method will generate a string that describes the book based on its attributes. This prints the description of Book 1, using the title, author, and pages from Book 1. Output: To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee, 281 pages. This prints the description of Book 2, using the title, author, and pages from Book 2. Now run our code. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to stay updated with new videos.